Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a brand new 2016 Forest River FR-3. 2016 Forest River FR-3. This Forest River is a steal with less than 2,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Brand new 2016 FR-3 30 double slide, king bed, sleeps 8 people. Absolute best floor plan in any Class A RV, sleep as many in this as a Class C. With an electric overhead bed, has a ton of standard features like side view cameras, 3 TVs, 1 outside, electric awning, hydraulic jacks and many more. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.